Forget the opera, forget the theatre. The best show you'll ever see is a luxury car auction. This isn't your average car sale. This is a secret world where billionaires battle for the most beautiful, powerful and expensive cars ever made. It's pure, unfiltered excitement. Glamorous, exclusive, and held in stunning locations like Monaco or Pebble Beach. The air crackles with anticipation, surrounded by automotive legends, cars that have won Le Mans or starred in films. These aren't just machines, they're rolling art and history. Here, people buy stories, legacies, and a very fast way to show off their wealth. The atmosphere is electric, a blend of high-stakes poker and a rock concert. Everyone waits for that one special car to roll onto the stage. The auctioneer's chant ignites a silent battle of egos and bank accounts. It's the best kind of drama, a glimpse into a world most of us only dream of. More than cars, it's about ambition, desire, and the ultimate playground for the super rich. These auctions are secretive, thrilling, and packed with more drama than any TV finale. And at the heart of it all, a pure love for the motor car in its most perfect form. How does a car get invited to these exclusive auctions? It's not as simple as showing up. Auction houses like Sotheby's have teams of experts, automotive detectives, scouring the globe for hidden gems. Each car is vetted for history, condition, and story. Only the best make the cut. Once chosen, the car is pampered, polished, and photographed to perfection. The auction catalogue becomes a glossy showcase filled with stunning images and stories. Before the auction, cars are displayed under dramatic lighting, curated to create emotional connections. The goal, make you fall in love and open your wallet wide. The auction itself is pure theatre. The car is the star, rolling onto a rotating stage under spotlights. The auctioneer tells its story, building excitement to a fever pitch. Every detail is choreographed to perfection, ensuring the bidding climbs sky high. It's a magnificent, expensive show, where every moment is designed to dazzle. This is automotive royalty on parade. Who attends these events? It's a fascinating mix, all united by a passion for cars. First, the serious collectors, building private museums, hunting for that one missing masterpiece. Then the investors, treating cars as assets, buying and selling for profit. Celebrities and tycoons add glamour, sometimes bidding just for the thrill or status. Their presence makes the event unpredictable and exciting. And finally, the dreamers and enthusiasts, mechanics, designers, or fans who come to witness the spectacle. They may not have millions, but their passion is the soul of the car world. They watch, wide-eyed, cheering for their favorites. Beneath all the money and glamour, it's the love for the automobile that truly matters. That's what makes these auctions unforgettable. The auction is a masterclass in controlled chaos. The auctioneer orchestrates a symphony of bids, his rapid-fire rhythm building tension. Bidding is subtle, a nod, a raised finger, a quiet paddle. Spotters scan the room, confirming bids with sharp calls. When two determined bidders lock horns, the price soars, leaving estimates behind. The auctioneer eggs them on, turning it into a personal battle of will and wealth. The desire to win overtakes reason. This is where records are broken. The final moment, going once, going twice, the gavel falls. Sold. Applause erupts. The winner smiles, the loser hides disappointment. A new chapter begins for the car, and the stage is set for the next treasure. The process is utterly addictive. This is the heartbeat of the greatest show on earth. Why does one car sell for 50,000, another for 50 million? It's a magical mix. Rarity is key. If only a few exist, competition is fierce. History matters. A car that won Le Mans or was owned by a legend is priceless. Provenance adds glamour and romance. Owning a piece of history is irresistible. Brand and design count. Ferrari, Bugatti, Aston Martin, names that make collectors swoon. Some cars are rolling sculptures, masterpieces of art and engineering. People want to own beauty, not just machinery. These auctions are where passion, history and wealth collide. It's a world of dreams where the toys are real and the stakes are sky high. That's why we're captivated. It's the best soap opera on earth, only with better cars.